Paul here from the Health Waves team. We're looking at the Bioplasm NLS scanner, a highly accurate holistic health analyzer designed to support vitality with non-invasive bioresonance feedback scans and therapy. Let's look at its features. In the case, you will find a memory stick containing both the Bioplasm Professional version 6 software and the Expert Edition version 7 software for the NLS analyzer, with its bioresonance earphones and radionics remedy cup. The Bioplasm NLS uses non-invasive bioresonance technology to pinpoint pathogens to make an accurate diagnosis that will then be used to test what medication is effective against them or to load said medication into a tincture, giving all the benefits of the remedy without the side effects. And lastly, I need to mention the auto metatherapy function that can be done after the pathogens have been identified, prompting the body to be made aware of them, resulting in the body using its immune system to eliminate the problem in a holistic way. Health Waves, your health journey. Bye today.